Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to use Instagram poll. So open up your Instagram application, okay, and now click on that plus icon. So after that just select to story, switch to story mode, and just simply capture anything. And what you have to do, just click on that, and you have to select poll. So you can simply just ask any kind of question, like you can do any kind of poll you want, and simply just select or adjust the poll the way you like. Alright, so everything is up to you, and that's how you can add a poll on your using Instagram. So from now you can simply just post and do whatever you want. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.